Hello everybody, how are you doing? Here is Isfahan. Today is 3rd of July at 10 a.m. This is another part of the beautiful NAGHSH JAHAN BAAZAAR. Many tourists travel to Isfahan to visit NAGHSH JAHAN Square daily, where the bazaar is one of the major destinations. In this bazaar, the various souvenir and arts of the Esfahani people can be seen. On each side of the square, there is a bazaar where the bazaars are connected to one another by beautiful corridors. It looks more like an exhibition than an ordinary bazaar. The city of Isfahan is the center of Persian art, and many artists belong to the city. These plates that you see are the products of these artists. The people's goals of presence in this bazaar are not just shopping. A lot of people just come to this bazaar and watch these crafts. In addition to interesting attractions, you can create delicious memories with cafes and restaurants. You, dear friends, can access to our videos faster and easier through subscribing our channel. We are so glad that you follow us. You, dear friends, can access to our videos faster and easier through subscribing our channel. We are so glad that you follow us. Please visit the link at the top of the screen to see other videos from Isfahan in Isfahan category. You, dear friends, can access to our videos faster and easier through subscribing our channel. We are so glad that you follow us.
Yeah, definitely.
Please introduce our channel to your friends so we can have a better understanding of Iran. And for more videos, please subscribe it. Thank you for following us. This is Iran.